Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Bumble application on your phone. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find App Store on your device. Now, at the search bar, type in Bumble and click on search button. Here, scroll down until you find this application. Click on it and click on the cloud icon there. You may need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or a password if it is the first time downloading it. After the download is completed, click on Open to use Bumble application. You can also find the application on your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.